me.
Do you know which way is Konoha?
Nope, I don't.
Great, I'm lost. You're lost. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for India.
You took a wrong turn near Lukenbach, I think.
What's Lukenbach?
It's a little town off that way.
Little town out that way.
Haven't you ever heard the song?
Let's go to Lukenbach, Texas, Waylon and Willie and the boys.
Right, Willie and Wailing?
This successful life we're living got
You mean
us
this song that's playing?
like the Hatfields and McCoys.
Yes.
No.
Okay, wait, we're in...
We're in Fredericksburg, Texas.
I am lost. Right, I'm gonna be late to Operation Destroy Konoha.
Why you go destroy a village?
What are Orochimaru's orders?
Is he a demon?
I guess he does human experimentation.
Maybe I should do something about that.
He's Lord Orochimaru.
Like maybe I should take you out. I take out demons.
I'll be going now.
Stupid ninja.
Why are you still following me?
Because you need to be killed because you're in league with Orochimaru.
I just worked for the man. Give me a break.
I'm sorry I can't.
Guess we gotta do this the hard way.
Yes, we do.
Okay, wait, Konoha's over here.
That hurt.
Wait, I had to ran you through.
I healed myself in my cheek.
Well, I was late anyway. Orochimaru was already dead.
Good, and I have no reason to kill him anymore.
Good, because I forgot how to get back home.
I can't help you there. I forgot myself.
Whoa. Let's go fishing.
Yeah, my jeep is up there for my fishing tournament.
Why don't you walk across?
Too late to take my shoes off again.
Whatever. I know home's over there somewhere.
Yeah, man, go for it. Not like that. I probably don't want to get my shoes off.
You're going to be hot.
I get hot, I'm like sweating over here. Dang it, my ninja got away. Now I gotta pull the stinking map up. See, Hakkai is such a great map folder. I screwed it up.
It's recording.
Where is that stupid ninja? That isn't like so long. I don't want to go down. Come on. Yeah, it's too late. Climb across, I didn't drown. I gotta put these damn things back on. Okay, with that. Hakkai lives!
Thank